Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are in the good condition and can join in our lessons today. Last week, we have discussed about zero and first conditional. And in the last meeting on Tuesday, actually we have first type conditional sentence review, but I forgot to share the lessons. So because this was my fault, you don't have to do the task. Okay, and today we'll just continue our lessons and topic. Today is about second conditional sentences. Okay, what is uh, second conditional sentences? And in these lessons, we're going to talk about what is the second conditional, how to form second conditional sentences, and second conditional example sentences, and the last is answer the questions. It will be your activity for these lessons. Okay, we'll start. The first, what is conditional sentence? Perhaps if you still remember about our last lesson, introductions about conditional sentence. Conditional sentence has two functions. The first is to talk about future things which are unlikely or impossible to happen. And the second is to talk about impossible present situation. So the conclusion is the second conditionals in bahasa Indonesia selalu bertolak belakang dengan fakta. Jadi kalau dibilang regret, yes it is regret, penyesalan atau kekecewaan. Kenapa? Karena dia bertolak belakang dengan fakta yang ada. Hal itu tidak sesuai dengan apa yang kita inginkan atau kita harapkan. Ya, bertolak belakang ya. Contohnya, if I won the lottery, I will buy a big house. If I won the lottery, I will buy a big house. Faktanya, dia nggak beli rumah karena dia tidak menang lotre. Tahu dari mana dia tidak menang lotre? Tahu dari if clause-nya. If clause-nya di sini won, itu kata kerja kedua dari win. Artinya, dia pakai simple past tense, bentuk lampau. Gitu ya. Karena dia bentuk lampau ya, dia tidak mungkin terjadi. Oke. Second conditional sentence are made up of an if clause and a main clause. The if clause has a verbs in the past simple tense. The main clause has word plus an infinitive gini ya. Syarat utama kalimat bersyarat untuk main clause-nya itu bisa terjadi, kita lihat di sini if clause-nya itu harus terpenuhi terlebih dahulu. Karena if clause-nya ini di simple past tense, artinya sudah lewat, ya nggak mungkin bisa kita apa-apain lagi ya, karena dia sudah lewat. Dan pasangannya adalah past feature atau word plus kata kerja pertama. If I won the lottery, I will buy a big house. If clause-nya pakai if plus simple past tense, terus main clause-nya pakai past feature atau would plus kata kerja pertama. Bedanya sama tipe yang pertama, kalau tipe yang pertama itu if-nya pakai simple present tense dan pasangannya itu simple feature atau will plus kata kerja pertama. Kalau yang kedua, if plus simple past tense plus would plus kata kerja pertama. Bedanya cuma di sini ya, sama di won dan would. Oke. Contoh yang lain adalah if I had $1 million, I would buy a sport car. If I had ini kata kerja kedua dari have. If I had $1 million, I would buy a sport car. Ya. Mungkin nggak dia beli sport car? Nggak mungkin, karena dia di waktu lampau dia nggak punya. Jika saya punya $1 juta, jika punya, faktanya nggak punya, makanya dia nggak mungkin beli sport car. Contoh yang kedua, if I had a rocket, I would fly to the moon. Apakah dia fly to the moon? Tidak, karena dia nggak punya roket. Makanya mudahnya gini ya, kalau conditional sentence-nya bentuk positif, maka faktanya bentuk negatif. Kalau kondisionalnya bentuk negatif, maka faktanya bentuk positif karena dia bertolak belakang dengan fakta. If the weather wasn't so bad, I would go to the park. If the weather wasn't so bad, I would go to the park. Apakah weathernya ini bad? Yes, weathernya bad. Faktanya cuacanya nggak bagus, makanya dia nggak pergi ke taman. The weather was bad, so I wouldn't go to the park. Faktanya seperti itu. Contoh yang lain, if I could travel back in time, I would have a pet dinosaur. Jika saya bisa menjelajah waktu, pergi ke masa lalu gitu ya, I would have a pet dinosaur. Faktanya, I couldn't travel back in time, so I wouldn't have a pet dinosaurs. If I could travel anywhere, I would go to Korea. If I could travel anywhere, I would go to Korea. Faktanya, I couldn't travel anywhere, so I wouldn't go to Korea. Simple past tense, could, would, plus kata kerja pertama. Oke. Now is your turn. What would you do in the following situation? Oke, ini situasinya sudah Mister kasih. Kalian cukup melanjutkan aja. I would ngapain? What would you do if you had $1,000,000? If I had $1,000,000, I would bla 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 bla. Isi dengan kalimat kalian sendiri. Gak boleh sama karena pendapat itu beda-beda. Ini materi pertama kita sesuai dengan pendapat. Pendapat itu tergantung dari sudut pandang kita sendiri-sendiri ya. Tiap orang pasti punya rencana yang berbeda kalau punya $1 juta. Gitu. Where would you go if you could go anywhere? If I could go anywhere, I would go to... Oke, kemana? Yang ketiga, what would you do if you found a talking dog? If I found a talking dog, I would... Oke. Yang keempat, what would you do if you were me? Oke, if I were you, I would. Ya. Oke, spesial untuk conditional sentence tipe kedua. Kalau simple past tense kan ada to be, was sama were. Itu subjek I, see, he, it pakai was, subjek they, we, you pakai were. Tapi kalau conditional sentence semua subjeknya pakai were. If I were you, I would. Oke. Selanjutnya, what would you do if you were a superhero? Lanjutnya lagi, what would you do if you were a plant? Oke, kalau kalian tumbuh-tumbuhan itu kalian akan ngapain? Kira-kira. What would you do if the weather wasn't so bad? Ini sama kayak contoh, tapi coba kerjainnya jangan kayak contoh ya. Pilih bentuk kalimat yang lain. Oke, selanjutnya, what would you do if you stay up all night? Kalian mau ngapain kalau kalian begadang sepanjang malam? Ya. Oke, good job. Ada 8 question. Nanti kalian coba kerjakan. Kalian cukup menambahkan main clause-nya aja di belakang kalimat. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope my explanation can be catch. You can catch the point of my explanation. Kalau ada kesalahan, silahkan dikoreksi aja, Mister, untuk perbaikan kita bersama. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.